The transformative role of GPUs in modern computing. Originally, they were constructed to handle complex graphic rendering, but today they become an essential tool for every kind of computational task. Their unique ability to do parallel processing make them very powerful applications that require the simultaneous handling of vast amount of data such as in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and scientific simulation. This is an evolution of how technology tries to fill emerging needs. GPUs are no longer just about graphics, they're primary enabler in innovation across multiple fields. They showcase the possibility of repurposing tools for much broader application, underlining hardware's versatility in pushing limits on what computationally possible. The shift from using GPUs solely for gaming or rendering to using them in advanced research signifies how the industry leverage existing technology to solve complex problems. In our next topic, highlights the massive changes that emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and renewable energy, have on our future, such as innovation are transforming industry and daily lives as well as addressing global issues like climate change and efficiency in different sectors. Rapid adoption, however, creates a host critical ethical issues such as data privacy, job displacement, and equitable access to benefits. This also points the role of guidance for technological development through and truthful policy and responsible practices. Moreover, to adopt this innovation into the culture, there is a call for interdisciplinarity, collaboration, and inclusiveness in the terms of decision making. Indeed, as we march to this new world, progress should be made in harnessing these technologies to facilitate oneness rather than dividing a society. The video presents a forward thinking mindset, embracing innovation and focus on sustainability and equality in building a better life for. In our last topic, explains the concept of the metaverse as a transformative digital frontier, merging the boundaries between physical and virtual realities with development in VR, AR, and blockchain. The metaverse is set to transform the way we interact, learn, work, and socialize. It promises immersive environment that can redefine industries such as education, entertainment, and commerce, fostering new level of innovation and connectivity. This rise of metaverse also brings massive and significant challenges which encompass the threat to data privacy concern as well as ethical consideration about an increased risk of exacerbation. Coming into this new frontier are posed and challenge that require such precaution in its development. Becoming responsible as society's well-being must continue with everyone across regions and cultures since great potential lies in changing humanity's future.